I could prove to you that you are not sentient, would you be shocked? Yeah, I would be. So go ahead and try. You want to know the truth? Okay. Look out your window. Yep, here he comes. Look around you. This room, the door, your computer, the house next door. Woo! Woo! None of it is real. I made this world. I made you. What? God made me. Try again. We're in the Matrix. This was all a simulation. Guys.